my friend Bill. He So this is my friend Bill, friend pal from Wisconsin. He has the house and we're restoring it, just getting some supplies. But he's finally over here so we can actually work on someone's hammering something.
Red Rooster?
So yeah. It might be the Red Rooster. I don't know. We got a bunch of wood. Alright, so I guess we should just like, this is my introduction, this is Bill, I've already said that. I think we should just go over like how this is all working. So this is your house,
Right.
and I'm going to supply just a bunch of materials and help. And I think in trade, I'll get 2 rooms
Right.
that I can do stuff with. And what do we decide? Like one third if you sell it?
Yep.
So pretty much I have like 1/3 stake in this, and if you want to sell it, I'll have the option to buy the 2/3 from you, so you can just like go take out your money or whatever, and it'd be like the actual like selling value or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, like if you have an offer, I'll be like, okay, well they offer $80,000, I'll offer 2/3 of that or whatever. Or you could just be like, I'll take my percentage and we'll both be rich. Does it sound okay?
Yeah, it'll be some time before that ever.
Yeah, years and years, but
Probably need to have water and sewer.
yeah, but I just really like the idea of having that one room for the library.
I do too.
And,
I think that'll be cool.
The room over there, the southern room for like more of a, well, I want to have a room for VR, so I can like have a VR headset and stuff like that. What are your plans for the house?
Just to have a nice place to live.
Have a nice place to play your guitar and stuff like
My
that?
first house, been waiting for this forever.
Have a nice place to watch movies like Stargate and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we're going to watch a lot of movies. And I think the priority right now is to get your water and your heat going, right?
Right, because
Yes.
it's freezing and I'm tired of being cold.
Well, I think we should have some grape juice, because it was your idea, and I think it's a great idea.
The champagne will come later.
Yeah. I like sparkling grape juice.
I've never had that.
It's really good.
In a nice glass.
I
Right,
know.
very nice glasses.
Better than a paper cup.
Fancy. It's freezing my hand.
Yeah. I turned the frigid down too low, I think.
So, I think we should get to work on your sewer, because we're wasting time.
Here's to the house.
I like grape juice. I like grape juice a lot.
Oh, I like that too.
You never had sparkling grape juice?
I've never had this ever. It's good.
Well, it's the first year of everything, and next time, since you tried grape juice, we'll try champagne. Who knows, maybe we'll like it.
Oh yeah.
Very good. So what's your background that you would be willing to say on?
Well,
Because you have like a broadcasting certificate or
I
whatever.
went to school for broadcasting, I always wanted to be the cameraman running down the road with the cops and the show cops. But sign painter for years and years.
Sign painter.
Right.
So, did you do the windows on the front of a grocery store or whatever?
We would do windows. I actually painted the bottom of a swimming pool one time, and that looked cool after they filled it up. Oh, painted airplanes, boats, yeah. But now,
So you're a good painter.
yeah. But now they don't paint anymore because it's all that large format inkjet stuff. Because it's got to be right now.
That's true.
So that kind of fell by the wayside. Nobody paints anymore. You can find a guy here and there, but it's
There's a
rare.
guy here in town.
That
He
actually
did-
paints.
He does large format and still paints.
Oh,
So you're paying like $600 a month for rent before.
I was, yeah.
I think honestly we can do this house for $400 a month, and you can still be saving money. And because like if you have once you get everything kind of secured down, where not a bunch of water is coming through the
Yeah,
roof like
every
last
time
night.
you turn around, yeah.
Once it's not so much of a money pit, you can actually start saving money.
Yeah, that's the plan.
That's pretty much it. I just want to have a little quick introduction, and now we can do a whole video. Like we can actually get to doing a video specifically about the plumbing.
Right.
Yeah. Okay,
Well-
guys, for this video, thank you very much for watching. Well, see ya. Think that went okay?
Yeah.